Namibia is seeking to deepen agricultural operations with China by prioritizing technology transfer and encouraging Chinese companies to establish local assembly plants for agricultural machinery. During a visit to the SICHUAN Agricultural Research Station, part of President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah's state visit to China, Minister of Agriculture Renathe Americano praised the facility's advancement in crop production, high-yield seed varieties, and agricultural technology. The minister said Namibia's priority is to ensure that cooperation with China extends beyond importing machinery to include technology transfer and local industrial development. Thamwani noted that Wednesday's visit demonstrated technologies that could significantly benefit Namibia, particularly as the country seeks to improve agricultural productivity under increasingly arid conditions. The Sichuan Agricultural Research Station showcased several drought-tolerant, high-yield maize varieties developed to improve food security and climate resilience. Among them is Shengdon 372, a high-density hybrid suitable for both grain and silage production that recorded demonstration yields of 21.3 tons per hectare in 2025, setting a new yield record for southwest and southern China. Researchers also presented Shengdon 30, a drought-tolerant hybrid with a well-developed root system, low water loss through transpiration, and resistance to major maize diseases. The variety achieved yields of 19.2 tons per hectare and has been cultivated on more than 667,000 hectares across China. Reporting for NAMPA News, Isabel Bento, Chengdu, China.